Hello.
Hi, Sebastian.
Speaking.
This is Nathan Geriatrica from Assisted Living. Your mother seems to be doing very well living here.
Oh, well, that's good to hear.
Yeah.
Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything's great. I'm just calling because we do have a small issue that I'd like to discuss with you about your mother.
Okay. Is it anything serious?
No, nothing serious. Maybe a bit sensitive, though.
Okay.
Yeah, so your mom, she purchased a device recently.
Okay.
It's
A what?
Oh God. Okay, I thought this was going to be easier to say.
Well, just say it. What are you talking
So
about?
she has, I guess the old school term would be a marital aid.
My 77-year-old mother purchased a marital aid.
Yes, that's correct.
Are you saying she has a
Yes, that is what I'm saying.
And why would I want to know this? More importantly, how do you know
Okay,
this?
well, sir, I hear you getting upset, and normally I wouldn't know this, but we've had a few noise complaints from some of the other residents.
That's ridiculous.
You know, it makes a certain kind of noise, and
for God's sake.
we're getting a lot of residents complaining, saying it's waking them up in the middle of the night.
I mean, I have to tell you right now, I can't believe we're even having this conversation.
Okay, Sebastian, trust me, I don't want to have this conversation either, but please.
Well, then what did you call me for?
I'm just saying, relax. We investigated this, and
Wait, you investigated the what are you talking about?
it's for some reason the model that she has, I
I
guess,
don't want to hear this.
it's like a dustbuster, but with afterburners attached to it.
A dustbuster.
I don't really know how to describe it.
That is so inappropriate. You're calling me to talk to me about a are you crazy?
I'm just trying to handle the complaints that we're getting about it. A lot of people are saying it sounds like a large malfunctioning AC unit.
Okay.
It's
okay,
very loud, like.
No. Can you please shut the up?
Okay.
Why are you telling me these things?
Look,
are you kidding me?
I'm trying to find a solution here. One of our residents, Gerald, said he couldn't hear the answers in Jeopardy because of all the noise coming from your mom's room.
Do you know what's running through my mind right now? The pictures you just created for me? Thanks a lot. I'll never be able to get that out of my head.
Okay, look,
what are you, nuts?
Sir, I apologize. But maybe you could have a conversation with your mom about replacing the device.
No,
I'm just saying.
Absolutely not. I'm not having a conversation with
sir,
my mother.
Please calm down. I'm just saying maybe you could tell her to try something a little bit more discreet.
I'm supposed to tell my 77-year-old mother that her is too loud and it's waking up all the other patients in the nursing home? Is that what I'm supposed to do?
I know.
Are you out of your mind?
I understand it sounds very embarrassing on the surface, but many of our seniors live a very active sexual life.
No, I don't want to know this.
I'm just saying, your mom really knows how to make the walls shake.
And you sound like you're enjoying this.
No, I am not, sir.
Oh, no, you're not, huh?
I'm taking this very, very seriously. I want you to know 3 different members of our staff have addressed it directly with your mom, and each time they were met with hostility. She seems to be very, very fond of her device.
First off, it's your job to handle this, not to call me.
That crosses a boundary with our residents. We can't go there.
Oh, you don't think it crosses a boundary with you calling me? Why don't you just break into her room and take it while she's at lunch or something?
We can't do that. We don't want to take away her pleasure.
No,
I'm just saying she took some time in knitting class to make a koozie for it.
Just stop.
She cares very, very
God.
much about this device.
This is the most disgusting. Just deal with it. I don't want to know.
All right. Well, look, if you don't want to handle this, maybe your sister Ann could have a conversation with her.
Don't you dare call my sister and tell her anything about this.
Okay.
She would not understand.
Well, look, I didn't even have to do that.
Are you crazy?
Ann is the one who called me because she wanted to set you up for this prank phone call.
She did what?
Yeah, she set you up for this prank because my name's actually Jeff from the radio show Brooke and Jeffrey in the Morning, and we're doing a phone tap on you, Sebastian.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I'm serious, man. Ann set you up for this.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, dude, I'm so sorry I got you so worked up there, but you were really freaking out. It was kind of funny.
Funny?
Yeah.
Funny for you, but you're talking about my mom in a here. Are you kidding me?
Are you saying that you don't want your mother to have pleasure?
Let's talk about your mom in a here.
Oh, yeah. No, I bought hers for her.
Oh God, don't even start there. Oh God.